How to enable the voice chat in your Roblox. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you have Roblox installed on your device but you do not know how to turn on or enable the voice chat, for doing so you need to first verify your email, and the next step is verify your birth date. That is for the age verification. So first of all, make sure that you have the updated version of Roblox and open it on your Android. Then after, tap on the more icon which is on the bottom right and then go to settings. Once you tap on the settings option, you will see account info. Tap on it. On this page, you have to tap on verify my age, which will ask you to put your email address. Give your valid email address and tap on continue. Once the email has been verified, you have to now verify your age to get the most out of the Roblox features. For this, prepare a valid ID such as driver's license, passport, ID card, or residence permit, or you can use a smartphone in order to continue. Scan the QR and you should be good to go. As the age is verified, now you can just go to the settings section and you will see the option to toggle on the voice chat. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.